Who are you, and what does your organization represent in the context of industrial innovation?
Hi all, my name is Alex Giorgini. I'm the R&D Manager at Valland. Valland is an Italian-based company in the northern of Italy, and it has been founded in 2006 by engineer Giacomo Andrea Mandora, a long-standing figure in the oil and gas and energy industry with a specific focus on valve manufacturing and valve production. So basically, the core business of the company is, of course, the design, production, assembly and testing of industrial valves for various energy applications, and our main market are related to the North Sea area, so particularly Norway, but we do have, let's say, a global customer base. Since few years, Valland is following some, let's say, innovation pathways, and there are mainly two of these. One is related to additive manufacturing, the other one is related to hydrogen. But for this interview, we will focus on additive manufacturing, of course.
Why did you choose to participate in the Diameter project?
Just a bit of context. As I said before, we have defined additive manufacturing as one of our strategic innovations. And since around 5 years, we started piloting these technologies, and we have established a dedicated division and dedicated department with hand-to-hand solutions along the additive manufacturing process chain. So starting from design, optimization, the job preparation, the actual production with metal materials, polymeric materials, resins, and all what concerns the post-processing, so heat treatment, and so on, and machining, and so on. So we are fully equipped to support end-to-end solutions in additive manufacturing. We have chosen to participate in Diameter because we believe that the content of this project is a unique combination, let's say, to propose a cutting-edge and innovative approach to the AM process industrialization, because we have a mix of digitalization, the possibility to select the best available technology for an application. It helps in streamlining the process chain and the traceability along this process chain, and last but not least, it also addresses the environmental footprint concern. And so basically, this is the, let's say, unique mix of ingredients that we have found in this participation.
What is your specific role within the project?
Valland has, let's say, a double role in the project, because we are mainly participating into Work Package 1, Work Package 3, and Work Package 5. But let's say the most of our contribution is based on VP1 and VP5. In VP1, we basically help in building in executing the test and validation plans, so that we can feed data about the material properties and about the process consumption, energy consumption, or gas consumption, material consumption, to the structuring of the database, which is the underlying layer to the diagonal platform. For what concerns VP5, which is related to industrial case demonstration, we are contributing to Pilot 2 and Pilot number 5. In Pilot 2, we have the role of the use case owner, and basically we will work on a critical component of industrial valve model, and instead in VP5 we are acting as process owner together with Fraunhofer for the LPBF technology, and in that case we will work on a blade geometry which is still related to energy industry applications.
What excites you the most about the Diameter project?
Let's say that I have a few points regarding this, because As I said, we have found in this project a unique mix, unique combination of ingredients, and we are excited about the possibility of contributing to the development of such a platform, such a digital tool, which we believe will be a breakthrough potentially for the industry and for helping the continuous and additional adoption of these kind of technologies. Of course, we value also the cooperation and the relationships that we have established and that we are establishing going through the project, both with, let's say, old partners and new partners. We hope that as a result, as an outcome of Diameter, we could also have the possibility to develop other commercial relationships, other R&D developments with all the partners involved.
In your opinion, what should Diameter achieve by the end of the project? Who should benefit from its outcomes, and how do you imagine these results being used in practice?
I believe that the most relevant result and outcome that we need to get through Diameter is the development of diagonal platform and let's say allowing this platform to be a real game changer in the industry, because let's say that I see two possible applications depending on in the industry, depending on the actor that we are considering. For example, for a company as Valland, or which already has the know-how and the competencies about AM, the platform could be used as like a preliminary assessment or screening tool for meaningful or non-meaningful applications by means of additive manufacturing. So we are taking this from the perspective of an expert in the industry, an OEM, and AM enabler for other companies. On the other way around, we can also look at other companies in various industries, for example, the industries of our reference, so oil and gas and energy. Sometimes we do know that AM has a lot of benefits, has a lot of potentials, but these benefits cannot be seen at the first sight, let's say. They are somehow, let's say, shaded or hidden, and the usage of the application of diagonal platform can help a lot into this. I mean, helping companies understanding where inside their operations, inside their product lines, AM can bring a positive impact.
How do you imagine the future impact of Diameter on your organization or your sector?
We would like to more and more, let's say, increase and spread the usage of diagonal platform into, let's say, our standard processing procedure of AM activities, AM projects, and so on. We hope that this approach could help us in unlocking, let's say, new markets, new applications, new potentials, which also go beyond with respect to our reference one, as I said. And for what concerns instead, let's say, the adoption of industrial players, I hope that what is coming out of the project as a prototype tool, it could gain more and more adoption and, let's say, reliability among the other partners, so that we can also think of a future commercial perspective for this platform.